us being a data company, we come across this every day with our clients. How can we give data access for all and primarily drive empowerment of the business users and the users within an enterprise to access data, to access past data, and really be able to query things which are kind of technical or pseudo-technical. So think about how you can type in a chat, and Stephen will talk about that later in the presentation in depth, is how can you type in a prompt to get the relevant data about sales, like Stephen mentioned, without having to curate a lot of the data in the background, because the large language model training takes care of that. Now, obviously, every enterprise wants to be customer focused, bring data for everybody at a snap of a finger. So this allows us to do that in the right way. So helping you make your process efficient and faster decision making. But we have to be aware of the risks also. Think about security of your data. Are we putting it in public domain? Are we keeping it private? How are we using it? The reliability of the data, again, is dependent on what is available to the Gen AI app or the large language model to be trained on, and whether it's explainable or not. That to a certain degree we can address. And Stephen later on in the presentation will talk about how Snowflake is addressing some of these security and reliability issues of the data to make this a reality. So in summary, I think the marketing generation use case, the data access use case, they are wonderful use cases that can be made real, and we as a company, LumenData, using key modern stacks like Snowflake, are really trying to bring it to the forefront and make it a reality.